friends. It's another Elephant and Piggy book by Mo Willems. This one is called Pigs Make Me Sneeze. Gerald, what do you want to do today? I want, yes. A what? A ball, a swim, a hat. Choo! Are you okay? That was him sniffing. I do not know. Achoo! I cannot stop Achoo! Sneezing. Oh no. What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! Piggy says, what if he tried to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But Gerald, no, do not speak. It is too late. Oh, look, she's putting on a helmet. Chew. Goodbye. Gerald. This kitty's walking onto the page. The question mark means she is wondering something. And he says, sniff. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze, and Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Great. Now cats make me sneeze too. That says thud. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy, great news. I have a cold. Good for you. Remember when he sneezed all over Piggy so many times? Now Piggy has a cold too. The end. I love you. I'll see you soon.